Do me a favor now, say hello to a man named Sam Schiff. Sam, come on out here. Sam Schiff, everybody. Hi, Sam. How are you? Great pleasure
Thanks.
to see you.
You too.
Where are you from?
I'm from right here in New York City.
New York City, a hometown kid. Good for you. You in school? Where do you go to school?
Yeah, I go to Trinity School. It's on the Upper West Side.
What grade are you in Trinity?
10th grade.
10th grade, man. Then what is that? Sophomore, junior?
Sophomore, yeah.
Sophomore. Is it 2 more years? You're going to go to college?
Yeah, I guess.
Where are you going to go?
I have no idea.
Yeah. What would you like to do with your life?
Juggle. I don't know. Be a doctor. Something like that.
Performing your surgery today is Sam Schiff, the juggling doctor. All right, Sam, enough of that nonsense. How are your grades, by the way?
They're okay.
Yeah. Brothers and sisters?
Yeah, younger brother, younger sister.
Okay, and the folks proud of you?
I think so.
All right. What are you going to do tonight, Sam?
I'm going to juggle a hot dog bun, and mustard, and I'm going to eat them all.
Wow, okay. Juggling a hot dog and some condiments,
Yep,
some mustard. And the bun, and then you'll eat them all.
Yes.
All right, not the entire container.
bottle,
All right.
yeah.
And I would guess we'd like a little music with this?
Sure, yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, here he is, the future of America, Sam Schiff. My God. All right. There you go. I want to tell you. You okay, son? Yeah, because the police are here. We can take care of you. As a father, I just want to tell you, this is really all you want from your kid, right here.